IELTS Speaking Part 2, Q-Card. Describe one of your favorite friend. Why he is favorite friend? Who he is? Explain all these things. Well, quite frankly, one of my favorite friend is Moshur. I can vividly remember how we become close friends. We have been close friends since our college life till now. He's so genius, humble, and quiet person. I got a friend of mine who's like a friend in need. He's a friend indeed. Me and Moshul, we have been in London for higher study, and we studied the same subject. We hit it up right from the start. He's so enthusiastic. Now we are so intimate friends. We used to get along such a long time. We hang around so many places while I was in UK. We visited so many touristy places in UK alone. And we used to play football, cricket, especially in indoor, because we are insane, to equality. Now he is in New Zealand. He's he's a chef now by profession. He got so much thing inside. He got married and he got two kids as well. Apparently now we're living in a two continent, but we always get in touch with social media and so many things. But nowadays it's become stripped apart because we got hectic lifestyle. We are busy. Why I'm like Moose, he got a positive mindset, positive attitude. He always, when I mean get in trouble, he always try to make joke and makes everything easier. And that's the reason I like Moose. Other thing is, he always, thinking always outside the box. And that's the creativity in something inspire me. In terms of personality, he's so outgoing, social, and supportive. If someone get in trouble, he always try to get them out. And he used to always love to watch movie, theater, playing cricket outside. That's a very good attitude I got. He got a sportsmanship. That's a life most. In a nutshell, I must admit, he's hipster. He's a down-to-earth person. I love him, respect very much because of the way he come up with joy, happiness, and greatness that inspire me a lot. On top of that, I feel grateful for his such a wonderful glamorous character, and that's the reason I always try to maintain healthy relationship with him. Thank you. আইএলটিএস স্পিকিং পার্ট 2 তে মূলত 2 মিনিট কথা বলতে হবে, বাট এখানে আমি অলমোস্ট 3 মিনিট কথা বলেছি। এই ব্যাপারটা একটু আপনারা কেয়ারফুল থাকবেন। আরেকটা ব্যাপার হলো, সরি, আই এম রিয়েলি সরি ফর ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড নয়েজ।